What's up, Anchor Coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Anchor Coin. My friends, in this video, we discuss the latest price update of the Anchor Coin. What's the current price? What's the price that's occurring in the Anchor Coin? And we are also talking about the currently situation of Anchor Coin. That what will be the next move of Anchor Coin? And this is the urgent alert news for Anchor. So keep watching this video till the end, and please click the subscribe button now. Also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. So my friends, the current price of the Ankr coin this time in the market as 0.10132 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Ankr coin. On the other side, if we talk about the price change, so absolutely my friends, the last 1 hour pricing is positive. Last 1 day, 1 week pricing is going negative, my friends. Only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, and that is absolutely good news for all Ankr coin holders. Data from yesterday they start jumping, and I'm very happy to see this kind of change occur in an Ankr coin, my friends. The last 1 hour pricing is positive. That's meaning that Ankr coin start jumping from now. Let's see the price chart. Wow, absolutely, I'm very shocked to see, my friends. Now my friends, at this time I personally recommend for my viewers, my subscribers, those holding Ankr coin this time, so please don't decide to sell. It's time to hold. If you decide to sell, so absolutely you are in the loss, and if you decide to hold, maybe my friends, in the future there's a lot of chance to they take a jump, my friends. You can see negative 38.6% price fast down in the previous last 1 month, my friends. So now if you decide to sell, it is time Ankr coin, so absolutely my friends, you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, so that's good idea for you. If you hold, maybe my friends, in the future there's a lot of chances to they take a jump. That is why I recommend for everyone, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Ankr coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.